Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason you keep getting this emergency charging not available kind of situation thing that looks like this, and you can see emergency override and dismiss and all these other things. Now, the reason you're getting this pop-up is not because anything's super crazy. Actually, it could be, it just depends. It mostly is because at the bottom of your charging port down here, you may actually have water inputted within this charging port. Now, depending on your iPhone model, you can circumvent this in a couple of different ways, but do keep in mind, if you recently submerged your iPhone in some sort of water, if you did something crazy to it recently, well, this is probably going to be the issue, and you're going to have to either go ahead and either let your iPhone dry out, so you can just let your iPhone sit there for a little bit of time, let it dry out, let the charging port, if you have like a vacuum or something, you can get like the suction cup, put it underneath here, and get some water out. That way you can shake your iPhone to see if you can get any of the water out there too. But those are a few different ways you can go and fix this. Now, if you have an iPhone that supports wireless charging, now these can include the iPhone 13 Pro that I have here, but from the iPhone 8 to the 2017 iPhone to all the latest ones, you should have the ability of wirelessly charging your phone. So the reason why that's important is that you can actually go ahead and just wirelessly charge your device, and that's really all you have to do. Just go ahead, wirelessly charge your iPhone, and that's another way you can go ahead and circumvent this. Now, let's say you didn't recently put your iPhone in water. Well, if you recently like sweated a lot or anything like that, well, that's still one of the things that may still happen. There's still like liquid in there. So you can try going through powering down your phone. You can try, you can try updating your iPhone as well. That may fix it. But those are pretty much the main ways or reasons why that happens and the main way to fix it as well. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.